they outplayed us, man. They out-rebounded us. I don't know. It wasn't as tough as we usually are today. You live and you learn.
Did you feel that this Michigan State team was one of the better teams you guys have played this year?
Oh yeah, definitely. They can compare them to about not the best. I don't know, but they're around along the lines of Kentucky, Tennessee, Florida State. Very good team.
Do you have any speculations on the Will Wade, and do you think if he'll be able to come back?
I don't know what to say on that, but I don't know.
Now that the season's over, what can you take away?
Take away just a lot I need to work on. Everybody needs to work on individually, and I don't know.
So is this maybe entailing that you are going to come back next year?
Oh, I don't know.
At the beginning of the season, did you ever envision this, Sweet 16? Did you think y'all would have the potential to make it here?
If anything, I will be back. Bring that chip to Baton Rouge. Hey. What you think?
I just said at the beginning of the season, did you think the team had the potential to make it all the way here?
Yeah, most definitely, man. We got the potential to win it all. I mean, we fell short today, but it's all good.
So next year?
Yes, sir.